Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be walking you guys through my process when I do a custom order, and I'm going to be showing you guys me while I'm making this really pretty black cocktail dress for a client who's going to a symphony orchestra. And I just wanted to show you guys a little behind the scenes of me working and what I do from start to finish with a product. In this video, I'm only going to show up to the first part of this, so you're going to have to wait until next week to see a part 2. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and share with anyone that you know that also enjoys fashion, sewing content, anything like that. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get into it. Okay, so for this fabric, I'm just gonna interject in the video really quick. So this is the fabric I'm using for the dress that I'm making, and I want there to be stretch when she's wearing it, and this fabric has like a little bit of stretch on the cross grain, so I'm gonna cut it out, laying the pieces this way so that I can get the stretch that I need. But yeah, it's really pretty. It's like a velvet, and it has like this like pleated sort of detail to it. It's shiny. It's really cute. It looks better in person. I don't think the camera's really like picking it up that well. It's not that bad, but yeah, hopefully you guys can see how nice it looks. So yeah, I'm about to cut out the pieces and then cut out the lining and then stitch those together, add the boning, and then we'll see what we're gonna do about the bottom half.